Welcome back to the new video. So this is the level 6 authentication and security, and here we're going to give the user an additional option so that he can log in with his Google account, so that he doesn't have to worry about his details or personal info. So first I want you to teach you about setting up your Google account so that you will able to give the user to log in with his Google account. So I want you to go to the URL. I'm going to go to the HTTPS, this one. I want you to go to this URL and press enter. And when you're done, select this one, secret. This one's a project. If you are new to this one, and I want you to create a new project, you can give whichever the name you want. I'm just going to give the secret or hidden one. No. Secret is best, right? Okay, secrets. It's good. And once done that, press create, and once that done, you will be there. Select the project, go to the APIs and services. Over here, you can see um, select the credentials. Once you're done, oh, before you create credentials, I want you to go to the consent screen. Consent screen. Once you are there, what you got to do is to please wait for a few seconds to load up and select the external option and create and fill the mandatory information such as app name is gonna be Ajoy Superhero. Okay, I may not be a hero, but I will be. So create a content info. Developer content information is gonna be mine as well. So I'll enter my email. Make sure you're not making any typos. And once they're done, go to the scopes and select the add or remove scopes, because you don't have to deal with some of the stuff, and select this one. See your primary Google email address and select the update. Once they're done, select the save and continue. You don't have to go to the test users option. Go to the credentials. Once you're there, what I want you to do is to select this option. Go to the auth client ID. So wait few seconds, and the type is gonna be web application, and URL, that is JavaScript origin, is gonna be HTTP. Here my bro is already showing this one's the localhost 3000, and authorization redirect URIs is gonna be Google, I mean 3000 auth Google secrets. Once that done, select the create option. Hope everything is understandable, and if you are done everything, you'll get this one, and I want you to save all the information that's been shown here. That is client ID and client secret. This both are going to be used in our project, so I want you to copy it and save it in your project. So I'm gonna be storing it in my env, so environment variables, because those were all secrets, so that you don't want others to see it, right? So first one is client ID and second one is client secret. So in my index.js, so I'm going to be creating a new strategy, that is Google strategy. So I'm going to be using the new package called, where's that one, where's that one, Here, my bad, I am a blind, little blind. Passport, Google, and authentication too. Okay, this package we're going to be using. And let's go to the index.js. Here we are using more than two strategies, so we got a, what is called, give, or give them some primary like this, Google and local authentication, to differentiate them. And in Google authentication, here we are using here client ID and secret ID here by using the environment variables process and Google client ID. And we're also using ignore to not let others to see our passwords. That's what we have talked about in our previous video, right? And callback and URL. And I want you to, don't even ask me how and why this is happen. That's just happen. I'm not recalling anything that I have learned. I'm just using documentation as my blueprint. So let me show you the documentation that I have used. This one's the documentation. If you go to the strategies and select the Google authentication, so you'll get this one. I want you to go to the configure strategy, and here you can see the strategy information and passport use and Google strategy. And this is the, blueprint that I have used for this one. If you are a JavaScript developer, a backend developer, then you can just use this my core for just authentication, and you can learn remain in the future. So here I've used, and when the user, here what I'm doing is inserting the user email and password as Google. So default password is going to be Google. You can give whatever the password you want. And we are storing his information. And let's go and check out. And I wanted to show you is here, this is a Google authentication. I have already told you, don't even ask me, that's just happened. And here, if the user success, you can go to the secrets page, otherwise you can go to the login. And let's check out by, running control C and cd over to this location. And once I'm here, I'm got a node mon index.js. Okay, let's go and register with Google. Let me log in with Google. And here I've already logged in with my Google. Unfortunately, my session is still there. That is why here you can see that my information is here, because I have printed my information. That's it for today. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please like my video and press the bell icon so you'll get notified when I release my new video. So that's it. Bye then.